You are enough. Embracing your body, loving yourself. Hey girl, ever feel like you're constantly bombarded with images of perfect bodies? You're not alone. Let's ditch the unrealistic expectations and start celebrating the amazing body you already have. Social media, magazines, even well-meaning friends and family can contribute to negative body image. It's easy to fall into the trap of comparing yourself to others, leading to feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt. These feelings can impact your mental health, your relationships, and even your overall well-being. Remember, those images are often filtered, edited, and not representative of reality. Healthy body image isn't about loving every single thing about your appearance every single day. It's about accepting and appreciating your body for what it is and what it does for you. It's about recognizing that your worth isn't tied to your size or shape. It's about focusing on your strengths, your talents, and the things that make you uniquely you. Start by unfollowing accounts that make you feel bad about yourself. Fill your feed with positive, body-positive influencers who promote self-acceptance and realistic portrayals of bodies. Practice self-compassion. Talk to yourself the way you would talk to a friend. Be kind, understanding, and forgiving. Focus on what your body can do, not just how it looks. Remember that true beauty comes from within. Nurture your mind, body, and soul. Engage in activities that bring you joy, whether it's reading, dancing, spending time in nature, or connecting with loved ones. Focus on your health and well-being, not on achieving a specific weight or size. Eat nutritious foods, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. Your body will thank you for it. You are worthy of love, respect, and happiness, exactly as you are right now. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Embrace your unique beauty, celebrate your strengths, and love yourself fiercely. Ready to start your journey to self-love? Subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Leave a comment sharing one thing you love about yourself, and share this video with a friend who needs to hear this message today. Let's build a community of strong, confident women who support each other.